Everyone thinks the best-selling wireless home security camera is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, WIZE Cam V4. Let's kick things off with the WIZE Cam V4. Priced at just $35.97, this camera really caught my attention with its vibrant color night vision and no subscription requirement. If you want an affordable way to keep an eye on your home, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 2.5K QHD resolution means you can zoom in and clearly identify faces from up to 30 feet away, which is crucial if something suspicious occurs. It's versatile enough for indoor or outdoor use thanks to its IP65 weather resistance. Plus, the enhanced color night vision lets you see everything clearly, even when it's dark outside. Now, some folks mention that the audio quality isn't the best. Here's the thing though, for the price, it's a minor flaw compared to the overall performance and features it offers. If you just need a reliable camera without breaking the bank, this is a great choice. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable option that doesn't skimp on features. Skip this one if you want top-tier audio quality for two-way conversations, but for basic monitoring, it's a steal. Now, if the WIZE Cam's audio quality concerns you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, ANSQUE Security Cameras. Next up is the ANSQUE Security Cameras Wireless Outdoor Home System, a 4-camera kit priced at $349.99. What caught my eye is the fact that it doesn't require subscription fees, and it's solar-powered for 365 days of battery life. If you want a comprehensive solution for your outdoor security, this is worth a serious look. The 360 degrees PTZ surveillance feature is a game changer, as it provides complete coverage of your property with minimal blind spots. The enhanced 2K HD color night vision ensures you can capture clear footage even in low light. With AI tracking, the cameras will automatically follow movement, ensuring that no suspicious activity goes unnoticed. It's got a robust 4.6-star rating from nearly 1,000 reviews, showing a lot of customer satisfaction. However, some users pointed out that the initial setup can be a bit tricky. But honestly, once you get through that, the performance is worth it, especially for larger properties where you need that extra coverage. This is perfect for you if you want a high-quality, no-subscription security system that covers a large area. Skip this one if you're looking for something simpler or if you have a smaller space. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for ease of use. Product number 3, Yaesu Security Cameras. Now let's talk about the Yaesu Security Cameras Outdoor Wireless, also a 4-camera kit priced at $299.98. The no-subscription model and solar-powered design caught my attention right away. If you want something that's user-friendly and efficient, this is worth a serious look. The 2K color night vision ensures that everything is visible even when it's dark. With 3,500 reviews and a solid 4.4-star rating, it's clear that users appreciate the quality and ease of use. That said, a few users mentioned that the app could be more responsive. Here's the thing though, most smart cameras have some app issues, and once you're set up, the camera performance more than makes up for it. This is perfect for you if you need a dependable camera system that's easy to install and maintain. Skip this one if you prefer a system that allows for more manual control or if you're not tech-savvy. Now, if the Yaesu's app responsiveness concerns you, the next product might just have the solution you're looking for. Product number 4, HITLLARCAM. Next up is the HITLLARCAM, priced at just $25.48. Honestly, I didn't expect this budget option to perform so well. If you're looking for a wallet-friendly camera that doesn't skimp on features, this is worth a serious look. The 2K UHD video quality and full-color night vision are impressive, especially at this price point. With a battery life of up to 6 months under normal conditions, you won't be constantly recharging. The 4,200 reviews with a 4.4-star rating reflect that many people are happy with their purchase. Some users did note that the setup can be a little cumbersome. But I'll be real with you, once you get it going, it's a solid performer that provides great peace of mind. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, reliable camera without the ongoing costs. Skip this one if you need a more premium build quality or extra features, but for budget-conscious users, it's a gem. Now, if you're looking for something with a bit more versatility, the final camera on my list might just fit the bill. Product number 5, Gianteye Camera System. Finally, let's look at the Gianteye 2K Security Camera System, which comes in a pack of 4 for $129.99. The true wireless design and solar-powered capabilities really caught my attention. If you want a flexible system that's easy to set up, this is worth a serious look. With 2K color night vision and smart human detection, you'll be able to see who's around your property without worrying about false alarms from pets or passing cars. The remote pan and tilt feature means you can keep an eye on every corner of your yard, all from your phone. It has a decent 4.3-star rating from over 1,000 reviews, indicating that users are satisfied with their purchase. However, some users mentioned that the video quality could be improved in very low light. But here's the thing, for most situations, it performs well enough, especially considering the price point. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly option that still covers all your basic security needs. Skip this one if you require high-end features or extreme low-light performance, but for most users, it's a solid choice. Alright, that wraps up my picks for the best wireless home security cameras. Each of these options has its strengths and weaknesses, so consider your specific needs before making a decision. To quickly recap, the WIZE Cam V4 is a fantastic budget option. The ANSQE system offers great coverage, the Yaesu cameras are user-friendly, the HITLLARCAM is the best budget pick, and the Gianteye provides flexible installation. No matter your needs, there's a security camera that fits your situation perfectly.